And so remember, it's always just easier to write something out if you're not sure what to do. So we have the 2ab squared cubed equals 2ab squared times 2ab squared times 2ab squared. And if you want to write that out, so you can just rearrange it so you get 2 times 2 times 2 times a times a times a times b squared times b squared times b squared. So that's 8a cubed b to the 6th. Okay, so we'll do the same thing for the b, and we look at it, so we multiply out 2ab, 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 and then we're going to rearrange things. So we're going to rearrange it so we have 5 times 2 times 2 times 2, and then if we look at our a's, we've got an a squared, an a, an a, and an a, so that looks like a to the 5th, I believe, yeah. So a to the 5th, and then if we look at our b's, we've got b, 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 so that looks like b to the 4th, b to the 4th. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, times 5 is 40, so we have 40, a to the 5th, b to the 4th, and there's our answer for the second one.